Okay, so we're going to look at ellipses in this video, which I find pretty straightforward. It looks like the equation of a circle, but the big difference is that the denominators have to be different. So A has to be different than B. But there's three things I want, or five things technically, but three groups of things I want you to find. The center. From the center, how far left and right do you go to find endpoints, and how far up and down? So the phrase I get it is CLRUD. C-L-R-U-D. So I'll say find the CLRUD. So just looking at this, you should see what the center is. It's the same as the vertices. So it's HK. Then how far left and right? A. How far up and down? B. So, let's look at some problems. Now, ellipses has two L's in the name, by the way. A lot of people spell that wrong. So I want you to find the CLRUD. So, the center would be -1, 0. You go the square root of 4, the square of the number under x corresponds left and right on the Cartesian coordinate system, so it'd be 2 and this is 1. Now, the closer these two numbers are to be together to each other, the more like a circle it looks. The farther these numbers are apart, the more like a hot dog it will look. So we're going to plot -1, 0. Now, always do that twice. That's where people tend to make the dumb mistake. So left, right, 2, and up, down, 1. Woohoo. Now, it should be a curve. Oh, that's lopsided. So let's try it again. The CLRUD. So the center is going to be 2, -1. You go left, right, 3, up, down, 2. So 2, -1. Left, right, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, down, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So, whoa, mercy. Now, for this one, I have to get in proper form. So it has to have a 1 here and a 1 here. So I'm going to divide everything by 9 to get it equal to 1. So it's going to be x squared, or x squared over 1, if you want to put it that way. Y squared over 9 equals 1. So what is our CLRUD? So the center is 0, 0. You go left, right, 1, up, down, 3. So now technically you're not supposed to put the center because that's not on the ellipse. It's inside, but to me it's kind of weird if you don't. So left, right, 1, up, down, 3. Woohoo. Now, there's some words you might see in the future. The segment that connects the two longest endpoints is called the major axis. So in this case, the up-down would be the major axis. And then the smallest distance between the endpoints is the minor axis. So this would be the minor. This is the major. Now, the book talks about foci. You don't have to worry about it. F-O-C-I, or focus, F-U-C-U-S. But it's just 2 points on the major axis that when you do the distance from one point on the ellipse and add the two distances to the focus, that number is the same all the way around. Now, oh no. What do you do when you have polynomials that's not in proper form? Well, we're going to complete the square. We did that with the parabola. We did it with the circle. So that'd be 4x squared plus 2x That's 9. Y squared plus 4y. So half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So I added 4 to this side. Half of 4 is 2. Squared is 4. So I added 36. So negative 4 and 4 is 0. So this would be 4x plus 1 squared plus 9, y plus 2 squared equals 36. I'm now going to divide both sides by 36. So I would have x plus 1 squared over 9 plus y plus 2 squared over 4 equals 1. So go ahead and see if you can figure this one out for me, and then I'll do it. Okay, so x squared, no factoring out a number, so x squared plus 4x plus 4. This I factor out as 16. So half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. So I actually added 20. So this would be x plus 2 squared plus 16 times y plus 1 squared equals 16. Divide by 16, so in standard form it'd be x plus 2 squared over 16 plus y plus 1 squared over 1 equals 1. And what's the clorud? So the center would be negative 2, negative 1. It'd be left, right, 4, up, down, 1. Not too bad, is it, my friends? Okay, well, have a good day.